आज है, आज में कुछ बात है, मेहनत के इस दरिया में जीत का तैरना संभव है, कदम बढ़ाना संभव है, इतिहास रचना संभव है, आसमां को छूना संभव है।
Amazon Sambhav 2021 is all about unlocking infinite possibilities for a digital India. हमारा भारत, एक देश जिसमें करोड़ों संभावनाएं हैं। जरूरत है तो उन संभावनाओं को आकार देने वाले हाथों की। जरूरत है तो सिर्फ उन संभावनाओं को साकार करने के हौसले की। और Amazon संभव इन्हीं संभावनाओं को इकट्ठा करके एक मंच देता है, एक ऐसा मंच जहां हर एक को मौका मिले। Digitization is indeed the next building block for the growth of our economy, and our government's Digital India initiative has this as the central thought. The unprecedented situation of last year clearly brought home this need for digitization as well as reinstated the call for a truly Atmanirbhar Bharat. It's a big and bold vision for a self-reliant India. Joining us today is the Honorable Minister to give us some invaluable insights on the role of technology in reimagining businesses and driving innovation in the 21st century.
I am delighted to be here with you all at Amazon Sambhav 2021. I would like to begin by congratulating Amazon for organizing this mega summit virtually and bringing together thousands of MSMEs, innovators and entrepreneurs together despite the challenging circumstances posed by the pandemic. It is important that the industry and millions of Indian MSMEs continues to stay focused and motivated, and I hope that Amazon Sambhav 2021 will help in achieving that goal. MSMEs are the growth engine of the Indian economy. They are the backbone of our country, and the MSME sector creates more than 11 crore jobs, contributes to 1/3 of the country's GDP and around half of its export. Digitally empowering MSMEs will propel as faster towards the vision of Digital India and catapult Make in India to go global and create digitally enabled robust business that power livelihoods in the entire community. Such a transformation will have a multiplied effect by increasing consumption, spurring manufacturing growth and export, and ultimately promoting inclusive economic growth. The true vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. COVID-19 posed some very serious challenges to our MSME sector, but I am proud to say that our MSMEs were able to adapt to the changing circumstances and eventually help India get back on its growth trajectory. We took some decisive steps in coming up with relief packages to help review the MSME sector. Early on itself, we announced a financial package of 1 lakh crore for reviving MSMEs that were affected by the lockdown. In the Atmanirbhar Bharat package released in May 2020, the government initiated the emergency credit-like guarantee scheme for MSME worth rupees 3 lakh crore for emergency requirements of MSMEs. Till March 2021, amount worth rupees 2.46 lakhs crore have been sanctioned under the scheme. Likewise, the government set up rupees 10,000 crore fund under the MSMEs which have good turnover, GST return record, and income tax record will be reassessed, given a rating, and thereby supported with 15% equity from the government. This has enabled them to gradually raise money from the capital market, enlist themselves in a proposed MSME stock exchange, and attract foreign investment as well. With time, it has become increasingly clear that the technology will be a very critical factor in defining the success and competitiveness of Indian MSMEs, both domestically as well as globally in the days to come. With global supply chain undergoing significant restructuring and countries looking to diversify their supply out of China, our MSMEs have a great opportunity of being integrated in these global supply chains. We changed the definition of MSMEs in a way that would give a huge boost to the industry. E-commerce will play a definite role in helping India's MSMEs succeed. We need to ensure that the digital transformation of MSMEs take place at a place that enables them to capitalize on this current opportunity. In parallel, there needs to be a greater focus on capacity building for MSMEs. This includes helping these MSMEs with the right inputs on design, manufacturing, maintaining product quality, and scaling their business. E-commerce players such as Amazon should continue to focus on such capacity building activities. The adoption of technology coupled with the right inputs and maintaining quality will define the long-term success of this sector. I was very pleased to hear that today 2.5 million MSMEs work with Amazon in India, including sellers, artisans, waivers, delivery and logistics services, etc. Amazon has also enabled $3 billion in cumulative exports. I have been made to understand that it took Amazon Global Selling Export Program 3 years to get the first billion in export. The second billion came in 18 months and the third billion has taken just 12 months. This is a great example of the dynamism of our MSMEs and a proof of how we have the potential to succeed across global markets and realize the true potential of an Atmanirbhar Bharat. E-commerce has enabled small and marginal sellers by expanding their outreach, not only nationally, but also globally. I urge Amazon and all other stakeholders, industry leaders, and experts present here today to keep investing to enhancing the potential of India's MSMEs and make them more successful and profitable. Technology will be a key driver to that growth, and therefore, digitalizing millions of Indians' MSMEs should be the top priority. As a country, we battled the first wave of COVID-19 with a great resilience and come out with strong growth projections, and I am confident in the ability of the industry and the MSME sector to battle the ongoing wave with similar conviction and lead India to a positive growth trajectory. At Sambho 2021, Amazon is making very significant commitments that will help in achieving this goal. The Amazon Sambho Venture Fund has been announced to invest in technology-led startups and small business for unlocking possibilities of a digital India. The fund will help accelerate digitalization of MSMEs across the sectors with an initial focus on two key segments, agriculture and healthcare. A special initiative called Spotlight Northeast has been announced to boost the local economy and to create more jobs across the 8 states of the Northeast. I am pleased that Amazon has partnered with the Trifid and Northeastern Handicrafts and Handlooms Development Corporation Limited to focus on empowering 50,000 weavers, artisans, and small business in the region by 2025, and bringing 5,000 plus unique crafts, geographical indication, products and other local products on its Indian marketplace, and boosting exports of special commodities from Northeast like tea, honey and spices, etc. to millions of customers globally. Lastly, Amazon India will be using technology, training and enablement capability to power local shops across India to sell online, and will bring a 1 million local shopkeepers and Kirana store owners to sell on Amazon by 2025. All of these are very important commitments, and I am glad to see Amazon directional thinking to empower India's MSME sector. This will give an input to our MSMEs and to our economy in the long term. I wish Amazon India all the very best for Sambhav 2021. And I once again thank them for inviting me to address all of you virtually. My all best wishes and full support with you. God bless you. Thank you very much. Namaskar.